In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the default layout in Proton Mail when you're using Chrome. This is particularly helpful if you've experimented with different themes or layouts and want to get back to the original setup. Let's walk through this simple process together, step by step. To begin, open your Chrome browser and navigate to Proton Mail. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Now that you're in, let's head over to the settings. You can typically find the settings option as a gear icon, often located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see a variety of categories. You want to look for the section labeled Appearance or sometimes Inbox Layout. This is where Proton Mail keeps options related to visual customization, allowing you to tweak how your inbox looks and feels. Click on that option to access more specific settings. Now, within the Appearance or Inbox Layout section, you're on the hunt for something that says Restore Default or Reset Layout. This isn't always the most prominent button, but keep an eye out for it. It's designed to undo any changes you've made and set everything back to the original style as it was when you first started using Proton Mail. Once you've located this option, and it may appear as an understated link or a button, go ahead and click on it. After clicking, the system may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed with reverting back to the default settings. This is a standard step to make sure you really want to overwrite your current layout and go back to the original setup. Confirm your choice, and Proton Mail will begin the process of restoring the default layout for you. Once the default settings are restored, don't forget the final step, saving your changes. This is crucial to ensure that everything sticks and that you won't have to repeat the process again. There might be a save button that pops up immediately after resetting the layout, or you may need to manually look for it. Either way, confirming and saving your changes is the assurance that your settings are locked in place. And that's it. You've successfully returned to the original Proton Mail layout using your Chrome browser. If you ever decide to venture into customizing your layout again, you'll know exactly how to revert back if needed. We hope this walkthrough was helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more useful tech tips and tutorials.